What's up, guys? JG-Pyro here. We got the case of under construction, getting ready to quick fuse these things together. So we did that poll a little over a week ago, figuring out which case of 200-gram cakes we're going to set off all together. Sorry, the area's a little bit of a mess getting ready for New Year's, but I want to get this video out before then. So we're going to quick fuse both these bricks together, and then we're going to light them all off at once. It's going to be utter chaos because this cake just increases in pace on every row. So we go from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 and then 6 shots at the same time, and that's 12 cakes doing that all together. So let me get these things quick fused up, and then let's take them out there and see how this under construction chaos looks.